Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius for your temperatures. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then your settings here, which you can toggle to just by spinning this. Otherwise, you can click through till you get the settings, press and hold, and then here we'll go to units. I'm doing that with this. Units, press, and then temperature. Right now it's on Fahrenheit. If you want to switch to Celsius, you should be able to see it change there. Yep, back there's the Celsius. I'll change it back to Fahrenheit because I'm in the United States. Oh, temperature, Fahrenheit. And that's it. And autosave, so there's nothing else you have to do. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.